Hey guys! For those who struggle with the instructions coming up, check out the link below the video. You'll see a huge selection of skilled workers who will do this job for $5 or $10. Rather than get stressed over this, it could be the easy and fast option for you. Enjoy the video, guys.
w3.com. This is Vishnu. Today I am going to show you the installation of latest built and forum software version 4.1.10. First of all, you need to go to your cPanel and login. Click login. Go to MySQL databases. I already created a user, so I am creating a new database. The database is created. Click go back. After that, add the user to the database. I am adding upon_admin to the newly created database and assign all privileges to the admin openw3_admin. And I already uploaded the necessary files to my web server. You don't need to upload all files, just upload the folder. Just upload the folder. Just upload the files under upload folder. And under include folder, go to config.php. You need to edit the file. Exactly, this is not config.php, it is actually config.php.new. You need to add necessary information, database name as you created. My database name is openw3_forum. And give your email ID. And the database username and password. My database username is openw3_admin and give your password. My password. And save the file and go to the hosting server and replace the file. After that, rename that file. Rename config.php.new to config.php. Successfully renamed. Then you need to go your host.com /install/install.php openw3 maeducation.in/install/install.php. Click begin install. The installation process is started. This is general settings. You can give your forum information here. Cookie settings. I'm a beginner like you, so I don't know. I just click OK. After that, give the username, password, and your email ID. And then click OK. Would you like to install the CMS default data? No, you don't need to install the default data. Click no. XML step 2 of 6, 3 of 6. Okay, the installation completed. Go to control panel. Click go to control panel. You get a security alert. Install.php still remain. You need to delete that file because of security reasons. Go to install directly on your web server and delete install.php, not index.php. install.php. Yeah, really delete. Okay, then click continue. Oh, it's finished. Username, give you the username and password. Admin. Thank you for logging in, admin. Okay guys, our installation is completed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.